Actually, this is my fourth time attending this course, including the one advanced course in New Zealand. Actually, I have been practicing a cruise ship. So actually, you can do the same things with acupuncture practicing in the world. So just imagine, you are practicing the room. It's a view from the window, every day changing. Sometimes Spain, Barcelona, sometimes Rome. Sometimes Iceland, sometimes Norway. How do you think what you are doing is actually expanding your future? And then the cruise ship, so many limitations. You cannot use heating lamp, cuppings, moxa, any other method you're doing in your clinic. You cannot use it, only needles. How you can do it? From my experience, only Dr. Tan. That one gives me lots of confidence. I have a face-to-face to the passengers, and I can guarantee them what I'm doing. Because just imagine how much they are paying for the acupuncture treatment in the cruise ship. Any idea? Actually, nearly $200 Australian per session. So, and then they are expecting very instant result. Because tomorrow, arrive in Barcelona or New York, what do you want to do? You want to go out to enjoy. Coming to see you and expecting instant result. This is the only one giving you a really good confidence. So that's my experience, and actually, they actually really happy to see the good result. Even they have negative feeling about acupuncture, I changed them. I have done so many. So you believe what you're doing, what you're learning, is you will see there are lots of future smiling from your patients.
And I think yesterday also you shared something that was actually interesting. You said that to apply to be acupuncturist on the cruise ship, then you have to fill out a form, and they actually ask you, I mean, if you...
Oh yeah, actually when I had the interview with the company, they asked me what kind of method I do. And I said, oh, Dr. Tan Balance Method 1, 2, 3. And guess what? They knew. And then they said, oh, no need of further explanation, that's enough. And then my interview was very short. And just imagine, very short means what? Maybe fail. But they said, you hired straight away. No need any explanations, no questions. Dr. Tan, that's fine. And I submit course certificate 3 of them. That's enough. Next month, I was on the ship from Mexico.
Congratulations.